Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Pro Mode on Samsung Galaxy A17. To enter Pro Mode on Samsung Galaxy A17 in Camera, let's go to Camera app and next go to More. Enter Pro, and here in Pro Mode you've got plenty of settings you can adjust. We can adjust ISO, shutter speed, EV focus, and white balance. Press this button to reset to defaults. Next, you can change metering, enable flashlight, add timer, change aspect ratio and tone, highlights, shadows, saturation and tint to your photo. Tap a button in the middle to take photo. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.